Hello everyone, this is Debbie Gunn out in Las Vegas, and I'm here with Tracy Walker from MLSP. And Tracy, a couple of questions for you. Why MLSP?
Why MLSP?
Why?
I love MLSP, and I'm gonna give you an honest, straight answer with this, without a lot of hoopla, things like that. I was at a point in my life, in my career, where my team and I, we were doing some things that were causing us great pain, like trying to teach building one's only capture page, creating autoresponder messages that actually create a need or a want for a person where they want to click and buy something from you. We were trying to find the highest converting affiliate programs that we could insert into our sales funnel. Testing all these different things and doing it with people that had no idea what they were doing. It can be counterproductive. Right? So we were struggling, and as a result of doing all of that, our team was not growing. We were not sponsoring enough people, and we were not retailing. We weren't doing any things that we needed to do.
Because you were too busy working.
Too busy training.
Right.
And MLSP came around, and that was about September, October 2008. I took a look at this system, and in the trial period, I started actually plugging into the training, and I realized at that point that this was a system that handled all those, it had the solution to all those problems that we were facing. I was doing 3 webinars a week with my team on just training. This now took the webinar out because the system had webinars I could plug people into. Anything that I had learned about HTML, well, now the system builds your only capture page. Anything to deal with autoresponder messages, well, guess what? We've got those too. Everything that we needed from a basic foundational level, they solved it. So for me, MLSP gave me a platform where I could actually feel good about telling people I could help them.
Right.
Because I knew that I could.
Right.
And it didn't cost me any time away from my family or cost me, headaches at night.
Right.
And so for me, MLSP was the answer to a problem. And as with anything in life, when you find something that solves a problem that you have,
Right.
especially when you're looking for a solution, you're going to always be in a good position if it actually solves that problem. So that's why MLSP for me.
Okay, I just had a question from a gentleman that is hopefully signing up tonight with me. He has a business, and he says to me, well, what if I don't want to do this business or my primary business? How is this going to work? Do I need a business? Explain to the people that you do not necessarily need a business to come into the program and explain to them why.
Okay, I like to use examples, okay, because I think that's how people can understand a lot of things. If you were going to be a doctor, would you go to school first, even before you had a job, a hospital to work at? Or would you say, you know what, I'm not going to school to learn anything about the body until I first have me a job?
Right.
That doesn't make any sense.
Right.
And if you were a patient in that hospital, would you really want that doctor working on you, knowing they didn't have any type of training in what it is that they're doing?
Right.
Right? Would you feel comfortable with that? You wouldn't. And so if we equate that to our business, anything, you get training first, should get training first, then you apply that training to something on the back end. Now the cool thing is some people have already been in the industry, never got the training, and can now just learn this information and plug it into an existing business. However, a newcomer who doesn't have a business, they can get the training first, not create any casualties. Right? In the process, or minimize that, and then be able to choose a business and correctly sponsor people, correctly train people, correctly help people learn how to market, and pretty much catapult your business and get it growing more stable. Yeah. So that's why you could get in without a business, and it's very, very important because as with anything in life, you don't want to go into something blind. I don't think you should start businesses blind. I don't think you should do a lot of things blind. You might not have all the information. Some things you gotta kind of have to learn through experience. But plugging into a community that wealth of information is there, well then things that you don't know you can learn. But at least you're in the right environment, and then when you select a business, then I think you're better off.
Yeah. And then the wonderful thing about MLSP is regardless of what business you choose, We're there to help you along the way. We're there to help you get your blogs ready and get you hooked into Facebook. There's so many wonderful people. There's so many wonderful mentors. You know, it's like a no-brainer for me. And along the way, you'll become a leader. If you're not already a leader, you will definitely become a leader with this program. So, Tracy Walker, Miss Blog Savvy, thank you for coming to Vegas.
Thank you, Savvy.
Thanks, you guys. And we're going to have this up and running, and we're going to let everybody know that you guys had a great time out here in Las Vegas.
That's right. We're having a blast.
Weather is absolutely fabulous, you guys. Wish you were here. Bye.
Bye.